Alright guys, as you can see here, this one named Pinky has got some new puppies, but we think that yeah, she is out of milk, so these puppies look quite malnutrition. Just look at the weight of that. Sorry, I can't see that clearly. Yeah, so they look very skinny. Oh geez, look at that one. Yeah, I can almost see the ribs there. Yeah, so they're very malnutrition.
Malnutrition. Wait. What? Malnourished.
Malnourished. Yeah, they look very malnourished. We're gonna run down to the pet shop, see if we can get them some goat's milk and maybe feed them by bottle. Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
So yeah, we're just on our way to Porto. Gonna visit the pet shop. We have some puppies at home, but they're not looking good, as I mentioned before. So we're just gonna see if we can maybe find some goat's milk so we can fatten them up.
The mommy don't have milk anymore.
Pero sa Facebook na mo, pero doon yung Raforest.
Okay, we are here now at the Laraso Pet Shop here in Agusan. You guys don't know that we have pet shop here. We have, and they have really nice collection.
The picture.
Gatas? Okay, we don't have gatas puppies. But we have our treats and food na for puppy. Plus mga medicines.
Sino ang anak ko? Dami gatas at
Sabi na kayo kita, may supplement sa
They're very focused here on aquariums and fish. Don't know we're gonna find much for the dogs here. Might need to try another one.
puppies. I don't know where it's not available. I haven't heard it. Maybe in the vet, there's a veterinary shop there.
Down the road. When we were last, huh?
Amis, I think.
But this one is for the supplement for the mommy.
Okay, yeah, so they don't have the goat's milk. We're going to try the veterinarian down the road, see if they got goat's milk. Because, yeah, we're more concerned about the puppies. Let's see.
ask at the veterinarian if they got what we need. But if you can hear me, it's so loud. Okay, I got something here, not exactly what I was looking for. Open it up.
How are you gonna give it to the puppies?
This is what we got. It's called ATP formula. It's a milk replacer. I was looking for goat milk. But they didn't have any feeding bottles. They said you should go look down the road at the pet shop, see if they got any feeding bottles. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going and find the feeding bottles. Can you patients arrive? Patient X. Okay, so we're gonna continue. Mission save the puppy.
Walking really far. Good thing it's not hot.
Yeah, there's a bit of a drizzle, so it's a bit cooler. Just need to make a quick pit stop. Throw some cash. Bicycle number.
We're using this
Flyover.
flyover.
The flyover?
Yes, if you
Cross bridge.
show it's a rush hour. The road is so busy. So it's better to be safe.
Yeah, they built this bridge for a reason. We're just gonna try this pet shop. We're gonna try this one, see if we can find a feeding bottle. Voila. Okay, so the pet shop don't have any feeding bottles. So we're going for baby bottle.
Yeah, we'll try this one.
And we put a little nipple.
Another extra nipple. This
See
mine
which
is
nipple they like.
not gonna work.
Yeah. No milk. Okay, so just got home from Porto. Mission complete. We will, we will put the formula together and feed the puppies.
Now we will try to feed the puppy. trying. Open your mouth. Open. So as you can see, he's trying to suck the nipple. Because their mommy don't have milk anymore. So we will support him with another baby powder, puppy powder. Yeah. Looks like he likes it. It's 3 puppies. So after him, we will try another puppy again. So the puppy likes it. Yeah, it's a desperate move. Yeah. Because if we don't do this, then...
Can I also have some milk, please? He's taking the nipple.
Yeah.
It's full.
He's full? Second puppy. Looks how skinny they are. Because the mommy unfortunately runs out of milk. Here. Second puppy likes the milk. But look how skinny they are. Pila na gin ko weeks? Unfortunately, mommy's out of milk. And it's heartbreaking to see them losing weight. Okay, the third puppy. It's only 3 puppies. And then Wally is so curious. What is he doing, Wally? You want some? Yeah. Now that they tried it, they like it. That's why they're shaking, because they're so hungry. This is Bugoy's, my dog's puppies, but the color that he shared is only in the nose area. This is Pinky, their mommy, and the puppies are happy now that they are fully fed. 3 male puppies, so they are now in a good sleep because their tummy is full. So yeah, we're looking forward. Yes, they are full. Look at them.
You don't want some of my pasta, honey? Give me my spaghetti.
Yeah, happy, Pinky? Are you happy now?
This middle one is really skinny.
It's really skinny. So we are hoping that in a few days they can recover. Look how innocent they are. So mommy is happy. Pinky, are you happy now? So thank you for watching, and hope you don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and please comment if you have suggestion how to take care of. What else can we do with these skinny puppies, because the mommy's run out of milk. There's no milk anymore. She have 8 nipples but no more milk. It's just a week after she gave birth, unfortunately. So please like and subscribe. God bless.